Okay, regarding the inertia thing, let's try to quantify a little bit what kind of how is differs to have 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or to 1 to 1, 2 to 1, or 4 to 1 pulley systems like these 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 4 to 1 pulley systems. So here we have three lines. The red line is the 1 to 1. Blue line is 2 to 1 and black line is 4 to 1. So, and what we are looking at here is this is calculating now how much force does it need to accelerate to the acceleration of what we have here, the weight that we have here. So currently we have the acceleration of 2 meters per second squared acceleration with a weight of 40 kilograms. And this is the result. We see that these numbers are that there is 40 Newton difference between 1 to 1 and 2 to 1 and 60 Newton difference for 1 to 1 and 4 to 1. So, but as you can see, let's go for example, let's have for example 50 kilos there. But if you want to apply greater, you see that more there is weight, the bigger the difference. For example, if you have 100 kilos for acceleration of 2 meters per second squared, the difference for 1 to 1 and 2 to 1 is 100 newtons, which is approximately 10 kilos. And between 1 to 1 and 4 to 1, the difference is 150 newtons, which is about 15 kilograms, which is about 30 pounds, and this is about 22 pounds. So, but if we go back to the, for example, let's have the 20 kilos. But if you here want to have greater acceleration, you see that the lines separate again. Now there is, for the acceleration of, obviously you do not accelerate when you are doing lifts. You do not accelerate all the way through the motion. Usually how people do the movement is that they, at the beginning of the movement, they accelerate and then the speed stays constant. So this, what we are looking at here is telling you how hard the beginning of the movement is when you are accelerating the weight. So you see that the difference grows when we are applying, we want more acceleration. But it also grows when we are using bigger weights. For example, for acceleration 3 and 100 kilos, now it's about between 1 to 1 and 4 to 1, there is 22 kilograms difference. What you need to apply to the weight to get to the same acceleration of 3 meters per second squared than what you would have to apply if you use the 4 to 1. Between the 1 to 1 and 4 to 1, there is 22 kilogram difference of force that you need to apply to get to the same acceleration with the same weight. So it can be significant difference. So that's all. Bye.